Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to create a fun Instagram story using May Dump Add Your Stickers. Instagram stories are a fantastic way to share moments with your followers, and adding creative elements like stickers can make your story even more appealing and engaging. If you're ready, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store or the App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't, update it. After that, open your Instagram app. Then, at the bottom of the screen, tap on the magnifying glass to open the search. In the search bar, type Add Your Stickers and tap on the profile named Add Your Stickers by Estrita. When you enter the profile, look for the highlighted post named Monthly Dump and tap on it. Once you've done that, now find the story named May Dump and tap on the option Add Yours. This will open your Instagram camera. Now, you can either take a photo or record a video directly, or simply choose from ready-made photos or videos by tapping on the square in the bottom left corner of the screen. That's it. Your story is now ready to be published. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.